Hey guys, this is Reggie with A-Team Appliance, and I want to do a quick video for my flippers and fellow appliance business owners on putting back free pickups into your arsenal. Right now, this is October of 2020, and I had actually discontinued doing free pickups because scrap prices were like 3 cents a pound. Which wasn't worth it if I was going to the scrapyard. But now in less than a month, they jumped up to 7 cents a pound, which does make it worth it. I've got a trailer that can fit 6 machines, and I typically get about $70 per load, where before I was getting 20, a little less, around 20, depending on what you got. So anyway, I'm at a pickup, and so I've got an ad going right now where I do free pickups of refrigerators, washers, and dryers. Now I've added refrigerators because I don't sell them, but the weight is good for scrap. But the real benefit is to get free inventory, such as, now this is a Samsung washer. I probably will not be selling this because usually they're not worth selling because they're junk. They're gonna have off balance issues, and they're just a nightmare if you try to resell it because the customer will call you for some other issue. For me personally, they're just not worth reselling. They're great for parts if you have like an eBay business. But anyway, some people think, well, this is probably a waste of a trip then if you have to go out and pick up a machine that you don't even use. Well, no, because look, I have hoses. So I have hoses I can use. And the customer put in a dryer wire in there. I didn't pick up a dryer, but you put a 4-prong wire in there, and those are $15 to $20 each if you buy a new one. So that's good for when I do deliveries. And this machine might bring me about $6 at the scrapyard. Also, it's an easy pickup. I do it within my county, so it's within 30-minute drive. Also, I charge for difficult ones because what'll happen is, what really make it not worth it is when you go do a pickup and you're there for an hour because it's in the third floor or something crazy, or it's buried in a garage. So I charge for stuff like that. So in my ad, I put in there, if the machine is not in the garage or outside the garage, in the house hooked up, I charge $10 for washers and dryers. For refrigerators, I charge $20. Those are paying to get out of houses. And I also do not do curbside pickup. However, the other day, I had a customer ask me, and I tweak my ad based off the questions I get. I had a customer ask me, hey, I've got one on the curb. I said, well, I don't pick up from the curb because, you get there and it's gone because somebody else might have took it and you wasted a trip. And so the lady said, well, I'll pay. I said, okay, well, I charge $20 for curbside pickups now. So that way if I get there, I still got $20 and now I get prepayment. So the lady paid me via, I think she paid me on Venmo. So she paid me $20 and machines were there, and it was a nice Whirlpool set, which was awesome. So it actually worked out. Got paid $20 to pick up a set I can use. So anyway, that's the tip for today, man. Just saying, add scrapping back to your arsenal for extra revenue. That money could be used for, tool replacement, your truck, oil changes, tires, and stuff like that. Just extra revenue, man. Buy more machines, and then also you'll get, these little gems, man. You'll pick up a machine that you can actually use. And if you can't use it, if you have an eBay business, great. There's a free parts machine for you. If you don't have an eBay business, you'll get something out of it, man. You'll get hoses, wires, weight for your scrap pile, or a machine that you can use. So it's a win-win no matter what. Any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments. This is Reggie with A-Team Appliance.